Here's the McDonald's story you were talking about. McDonald's tweet announcing Mariah Carey partnership has Twitter users confused.
Okay, so let me show you the tweet. So Mariah Carey is, they have like a whole meal for her.
Okay.
Kind of like the Travis Scott.
Yeah.
And they tweeted out this picture. It's basically an open sea with Mariah Carey in a very sultry, hot red dress.
Okay.
And also the McDonald's sign is basically just up in the middle of the ocean.
Why did you say open sea?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Kirk and I were talking about OpenSea. NFTs?
NFTs.
Yeah.
I'm just curious. That was weird because I would just say she's on a beach.
To find a collection,
I would just say she's on a beach.
There. Yeah. But she's not on a beach. It's like the ocean.
Yeah, but the tide is right there. You can see the floor of it. Most people would just say she's on a beach, except for NFT junkies that would say she's in an open sea.
You caught me. Good job.
She's standing in front of an open sea.
Am I a sailor?
Subliminal NFT talk going on. Holy cow.
Dude, I'm in it. Did I tell you?
But you know what I was wondering is this an NFT teaser? Is it an OpenSea teaser? After you said that, I was like, are they? Because McDonald's was goofing with NFTs.
Yeah, with the McRib.
Anyway, okay.
So, does this give you any emotion about it?
Like mermaid. Thoughts? I just think mermaid.
Oh, really?
Because why else? I mean, her dress is kind of mermaidy. She never played a mermaid. With the hair is mermaidy. I don't know anything about mermaids. Why is there a McDonald's in the ocean? It's intentionally confusing for sure.
Sure.
To get people talking, and it worked.
Well, a lot of people, like in social media, would bring it to the global warming front.
What?
They think that, McDonald's is literally buried in the ocean because of the sign being just kind of in there, in the middle of the sea.
Okay.
And a lot of people were complaining about that.
What in the climate change is happening here? Well, I guess you can go that angle.
This person's just confused as well.
Yeah, it's just confusion because why would McDonald's? I mean, there's obviously no intent there. This is just straight intentional confusion. Photoshop madness. And it works. It worked and it works and it worked.
It's like clip art.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And it's just like, okay, there's a McDonald's sign in the ocean. You have to double take it.
Yeah.
And I think it's actually...
But I didn't think it was like a climate thing at all.
No,
like
it's
when
not.
I first saw it.
It's definitely not.
It just seems like a lot of people were talking about,
I mean, unless it's partnered up with the cleaning of the ocean thing.
No, it's not.
But maybe we find out more later.
Sure.
Did they do any follow-up, or is this the most recent moment?
They were just trying to own up to it, like just kind of replying,
Daily deals, $1 Big Mac Mama. Okay. Get free daily, introducing the Mariah menu. Get free daily deals with $1 minimum purchase December 13th to 24th, only in the app.
Yeah.
Darlings. Photoshop is my passion. Exactly. It's a meme.
Yeah.
They just made a meme, man, and it worked. And they touched on people's little sensitive points, like the climate change retweeter.
Mm-hmm.
And so they know what they're doing, man. All right. Shout out, whatever. They got social media teams.
There you go.
Just like Arby's.
Yeah.